Are you serious about creating financial freedom, time freedom, or building the life you truly love? Well, in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 high income skills that you need to learn in 2025 if you want to thrive financially, because these are the skills that are paying the bills. Yes, I know you've got the college degrees, but these skills are the new currency. If you want to thrive financially in 2025, these are the skills that are paying the bills. Let's dive right into it. Skill number 1, you need to learn how to use AI and automation skills. Do you realize that AI is taking over in 2025? Yes, I'm sure you have heard about ChatGPT. If you're here in these online streets trying to create a side hustle, then you must have heard about ChatGPT. If not, then I've done a full video on how you can use ChatGPT to make money. I'll leave it somewhere up here or in the description. Go ahead and check it out after watching this video. But you need to learn how to use AI to create additional streams of income, to create that side hustle that you have been thinking about. You don't need to be a tech expert at this. Trust me. Using the simple ChatGPT, Canva, or Notion AI all can land you clients or help you to start making some extra money on the side with your full-time job. So go ahead and check out how you can use Canva. I've also done a video on that, and how you can use ChatGPT to start making some extra stream of income with your full-time job. Now, the second skill that you need to learn in 2025 is storytelling. Yes, you have to learn how to tell a good story to catch people, to hook your audience so that they get to know you, like you, trust you, so that they can make a purchase in whatever you will be selling to them later on. Have you been on TikTok, right? And you're scrolling and you see somebody just telling a story, and it just captivates you. You get so hooked to it that no, you want to hear part 2 of the story. Then you want to hear part 3 of the story. So learning how to tell a good story is a high income skill that can convert followers into clients later down. So go practice how you can start telling a good story, whether that is going to be TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, or here on YouTube. You choose your platform and you start sharing your story. Now, the third skill that you need to learn in 2025 is video content creation. In 2025, video content is everything. You just need to show up confidently, choose a platform, whether you're going to come up here on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. Is Facebook even still a thing? Maybe for your audience, right? But you just want to come up strong, create that confidence. I know a lot of you are shying away from the camera. You feel like you're not confident enough. It's not time yet. You don't have the right tools, the right equipment to show up on camera. Sis, you have a cell phone in your hands watching this video right now. That's all you need. I'm into this YouTube thing over 2 years, going to 3 years, and I'm still using my iPhone or my Samsung, whichever one. So you don't have an excuse. Just show up, talk as if you're talking to a friend, look in the camera as I'm looking at you right now, and just share your story. So from the previous skill, learn, master the art of storytelling. You can start practice right now on whichever platform you choose. But in 2025, content creation, creating videos, whether it's going to be short form or long form, ching ching, that's where the money is at in 2025. Now, before we get into the fourth high income skill that you need to learn in 2025, have you subscribed to this channel as yet? If no, please go ahead and hit the subscription button. Also hit the like button so other women who are looking to create financial freedom, time freedom, and building the life they love will see this video. Now, let's jump into number 4, which is digital content creation. I'm sure that you've seen persons selling ebooks, selling PDFs, selling downloadable, selling all these digital products, right? You can sell them too, sis. You just need to learn how to create them. And with different apps, different technologies, different systems such as Canva, you can create anything that you desire when it comes on to digital content creation. So whether you're going to create a course on whatever experts ideas you have, whatever knowledge, whatever gift, whatever passion you have, you can create some digital products, and you can use digital platforms to market and promote these products that you'll be creating. So go ahead, jump on Canva. I've also done a video on how you can create your digital products on Canva, so you have no excuse, because I'm showing you how you can do this. Once you learn how to package your knowledge by creating different types of digital products, you can create passive income streams from these digital products. Then the fifth and final skill that you need to learn in 2025 is building up a personal brand. Yes, sis. People need to know you, like you, and trust you before they decide to even make a purchase and swipe that credit card to buy something from you. Have you ever just been following? You have this follower on Instagram or here on YouTube that you have been following for a while. You get to know them. You get to be attracted to their personality. And you're like, you know everything about this person, right? And the minute they drop a product, you don't even have to question yourself to see, oh, am I going to make this investment in buying this product from this person? No, because you have been following them for a while. You are going to build up your expertise, position yourself as the expert in whatever niche you want to create your branding in, and you start building up that audience before you even decide to put a product out there. One of the many mistakes that I see a lot of influencers make and a lot of people here on the social media streets make, they just come out with a product and start selling a product. That is so wrong. You have to put yourself out there. You have to build up an audience, build up the trust so that the person knows you enough, feel confident enough to spend their money on you, to spend their money on purchasing a specific product. So think about this when you're starting up your side hustle. Don't just start up a YouTube channel and put a digital product out there on the market. No, sis, they don't know you. They don't like you yet. And they don't trust you as it. So no, they will not buy that ebook. No, they will not buy that template or that course. You have to build up your personal brand. So what is your expertise? What is your knowledge that you have out there to share with somebody to build up your personal brand? Now tell me in the comments which high income skills you will be learning in 2025. And if you're serious about creating another side hustle, building financial freedom, building wealth, then go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, because we are winning together. See you in the next video. Bye for now.